All right, ladies and gentlemen, ASRP presents NS 392 of the 12th. Y'all have a safe trip. The sun's kinda iffy right here, but not too awfully bad. Yeah, this train has mixed freight north of Winston-Salem. I didn't think this train went north of Winston-Salem. Apparently they go to Williamson. But this will be a mixed freight, and I think they'll have some racks on the back. Companion run to 393. We caught them last year on the R line, Winston-Salem district, going through Bassett. We got a 233 in the vicinity. I'm hoping this one gets by. Earlier when I caught 233, they were in a meat film. I'd like to catch them by themselves. Got a decent amount of mixed freight on them, don't they? I imagine they probably drop off some of this at Roanoke. I can't imagine all well. P94 and P9R coming out of Linwood a few years back used to be some monster trains. I guess this could be going to Winston too. Still don't see any auto racks, but I do see a helper. Look at that. Sought after racks. Yeah, you can see more of the train the other way, but it's still got a bit of sun glare. I think I'm going to stick around here and wait on NS 233. Given they don't come by before I finish up filming this train. 392's a long train today. I'm on my first leg of what's going to be a 3-day rail fan binge. You know what I mean? And man, is it going to be a binge, because I haven't been rail fanning lately, y'all. I have not. I mean, a few here on the Charlotte sub when convenient, and a couple on the Charlotte District NS, again, when it's convenient. But as far as making dedicated trips, the last time I made a dedicated trip was back in Christmas. Spent one day in Hamlet. Caught 4 trains. Oh, here's the rear. But man, out of the 4 I caught, 2 of them were good catches. One was F742 going northbound on the S line. The other one was F784, a new run manifest south on the S line toward Casey. All right, ladies and gentlemen, NS 392 of the 12th. Be going eastbound, and we're in a little community called Ada, West Virginia, just to the east-southeast of Bluefield. All right.